How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be programming second key for my 2016 Chevy Tahoe PPV. When I got this car from the auction, it only came with one key, which is typically how it goes. In situations like this, you should always make yourself a spare key as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you lose your one and only key, it's going to cost you a lot more to get the new key from a dealer. But if you have at least one working key, the process is going to be much easier. I got my key online from this website, tomskey.com. The price of the key was $35, and for additional $60, they offer key cutting service by photo. You simply send them a couple pictures of your existing key, and they will cut same exact copy and ship it to you. They also sell remotes, keys, and programming devices for many other car makes and models. And if you ever have a need for a spare key, check them out. You might be able to find what you need. When I got the keys, I made sure that it works in the door lock and in the ignition cylinder, and it worked flawlessly. They got it right the first time. Now I'm going to need to program this key, and I'm going to try to do it live on the video so you can see how this process works. If I turn the key, I get Service Theft Deterrent System warning on the dashboard, and if I try to crank the engine, it doesn't work. And instead, this immobilizer light comes on and stays on the dashboard. I also got some key rings from them for my key and this really cool magnetic key storage box. You can use it to hide your second key somewhere underneath your car, and in case of emergency you can just take it out, get your spare key, start your car and drive off. You can also keep your house key in there, and if you ever lock yourself out, you will be able to get back in. So let's go ahead and program this new key. And just to confirm that it's not programmed yet, if I try to start the car, it doesn't work. Let's set it aside for now. Now I'm going to use my original good working key and start the car. Next, we're going to need to turn off the car and within 5 seconds insert the new key and turn it into the on position. We're going to give it a few seconds to allow it to program the new key. I think you're supposed to get a confirmation on the screen that the new key is programmed, but since I have other warnings displaying on the screen currently, I didn't really see that confirmation message. But if you notice that immobilizer light is gone, so I think we should be good now. Let's go ahead and try to start the car. And bam, it worked. As you can see, it's pretty simple and easy process to program new keys on these Chevys. And for me, the best part is I didn't even have to leave my couch. I took a few pictures, ordered the key online, it showed up in a few days, and I was done. I didn't have to drive to a dealer or local locksmith, which is really, really nice. And to make sure it was not a fluke, let's try to start it again. Here we go, it works great, we are all set now. Alright, I hope this was helpful, and if you guys are interested, in the next video I can also show you how to program remote for your Chevy. Stay tuned for that. And don't forget to hit that like button. I put a lot of effort to make this video easy, simple, and straight to the point. Thanks, have a nice day, bye.